Hello to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Sherlyn B. Agrava. I am 35 years old from Philippines. I am married and have a one lovely daughter, 7 years old. My height is 4'11". I am high school graduate. My work experience as a domestic helper was in Hong Kong since 2019 until 2022 on my first employer, and they relocate to other country. And 2022 until 2024 on my second employer finished contract. My main duties are taking care of the child, doing the house chores like cleaning the house, cooking, washing the clothes, ironing, marketing, and car washing. If you will give me a chance, you will hire me as a domestic helper. I assure you that I am trustworthy, patient, and honest. Most of all, I am a child lover. And I promise I will do my best to do the task that you will be given to me. Thank you, Madam and Sir.